Good evening, everybody. I am delighted to welcome you all to ARVT 10.1, which is a free online Autodesk Revit workshop created by architect Obafemi Ibitoye, a Nigerian architect and architectural educator. The platform is to educate architects and architectural students on the use of Autodesk Revit software for design and drafting. Some of us would like to ask the question, why Revit architecture? And I would like to tell you free information about Revit architecture. Revit software is the Autodesk platform for building information modeling built on parametric building modeling technology. It has several advantages over some other CAD softwares, and I would like to tell you a few. Revit is a building design and documentation system that works the way architect thinks. That's the number one advantage. Number two, it treats design information in terms of the entire building rather than separate floor plans, sections, elevations, and schedules. Number three, Revit provides fully parametric change management, which increases coordination and quality while providing the most accurate and up-to-date information for decision making. Let's not forget that Revit is a purpose-built software for building information modeling because it simply offers you a better way of working so you can improve your architectural skills, drawing skills, businesses, and lots of other. Before I proceed, I would like to show you few projects that has been done with Revit architecture only. Thank you very much. The next slide will be on getting started with Revit architecture.